am become death, the destroyer of worlds.
The day humanity became death. In 1945, humanity crossed a line it could never uncross. For the first time in history, human beings didn't just discover a force of nature, they created one. In the middle of an empty desert, a group of scientists stood waiting to see if humanity could build something that once belonged only to the stars. And when the light finally came, one of them looked at the sky and whispered, "Now I am become death, the destroyer of worlds." And the terrifying part is, he wasn't exaggerating. Everything around you contains energy. Your body, your phone, the air you breathe, even the dust beneath your feet. For thousands of years, humanity had no idea how much power was hiding inside matter itself. Then Albert Einstein changed everything. In 1905, he wrote a simple equation, E equals mc squared, a small equation, but it unlocked one of the most dangerous secrets in the universe. Matter could become energy, not fire, not electricity, pure energy. And suddenly, scientists realized that even the smallest atom could contain unimaginable power. Then, in 1938, something happened that changed human history forever. Scientists successfully split a uranium atom, and when the atom broke apart, it released energy. But the real horror wasn't the explosion itself, it was what happened next. The broken atom released particles that slammed into other atoms, which split apart too, releasing even more particles, which split even more atoms. A chain reaction. Millions of atoms exploding in less than a second. Humanity had discovered that the universe was hiding a weapon inside the fabric of reality itself. And worse, now we knew how to trigger it. During World War II, the United States gathered some of the greatest scientific minds on Earth. The project was called the Manhattan Project. They weren't building a city, or a machine, or medicine. They were building the first weapon capable of erasing an entire city in seconds. At the center of it all was a physicist named J. Robert Oppenheimer, a brilliant scientist who slowly began to realize something horrifying. They weren't just inventing a bomb. They were changing the future of humanity forever. The moment humanity realized it had become powerful enough to destroy itself. Then came July 16th, 1945, New Mexico desert. Scientists stood miles away, waiting, and then the sky exploded. A light brighter than anything most humans had ever seen burned through the darkness. The temperature at the center became hotter than the surface of the sun. And the most terrifying part? This wasn't a natural disaster. Human beings created it. Some scientists laughed from shock. Some stood completely silent because in that moment, they understood something instantly. The old world was gone and a new one had begun. People often think the atomic bomb was the end of something, but really, it was the beginning of a world where humanity became capable of wiping itself out. Today, there are still thousands of nuclear weapons on Earth, many of them far more powerful than the bombs dropped during World War II, which means humanity now lives permanently one bad decision away from catastrophe. And the question still remains, if you had been standing there in that desert, knowing everything we know now, would you have pushed the button